I've been calling you.
What are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? I've been calling you, I've been texting you, you're not picking my calls or returning my text messages. What is going on?
Like, there's nothing to talk about. Please just leave.
I should leave?
Yes.
Precious, what is the problem? What's going on?
We're done. So please just go. And I beg you, don't try to call me or come here again. Go.
We're done. I don't understand.
Please.
What is the problem? Can you just stop? Precious.
Hey. Why do you keep staring at me like I'm the only thing you see?
Because you are the only thing that I see.
You're so dramatic.
I'm just being honest.
So, in the spirit of being honest, tell me, what do you see right now?
I see a future with you as my wife and then little kids.
So you've thought about our lives together?
I think about it every day. Just picture this. You, Sunday morning in the kitchen making rice and stew. The kids running around. It's beautiful, right?
It is. And the kids, how many?
Thinking 3.
Come on, Daniel, 3 is a lot.
3 is perfect.
I think 2 is just fine.
2 is incomplete. 3 is perfect.
2 makes it, balanced.
3 makes it joyful.
2 makes it peaceful.
3 makes it joyful.
2 makes it peaceful and balanced.
Oh, fine. You win. 2.5. I mean, this should be compromised.
So what?
2.5.
I'm sorry, darling. That's not how it works. Okay?
You know what? Let us just wait. After the first kid, maybe you change your mind.
Or maybe you would change your mind.
As long as I get to do life with you, and it's all that matters.
Aren't you so sweet?
Yeah, I know. I'm sweet.
What would you like me to get you?
Dad, good evening. You're still up?
Yeah. So, let's sit down.
Okay. Is everything okay?
Now that you've finished your master's degree, what next?
Dad, I've been thinking actually. I think it's time to settle down. Start a family with Precious. I think that should be next in the line for me.
Son, think bigger. I have a plan for you.
You have a plan?
Oh, yes.
Okay, Dad, let's hear it.
Yes, I'm establishing a branch office for logistics at United States of America.
Oh.
And I want you to go there, oversee the operation, and then you pick up an executive program. That will take you like few years. And after that, you'll be the one that will be fully in charge of that place.
Oh, wow, that's a huge step. Of course, I would love to do it. I'll be going with Precious, so it'll be fine.
No, she is not going with you.
Why?
Because there must be no distraction.
Dad, Precious is not a distraction. She's part of my future.
Son, she is not going with you. And that is fine.
You've been awfully quiet. What's going on?
Fine, okay?
No, you're not. Hey, you can talk to me.
It's my dad. He wants me to go abroad.
Really?
Yes, he's thinking of opening another branch in the US. He wants me to go there for a couple of years so I could eventually head it.
Years. Did you tell him about us?
Of course I told him. But he's saying he wants me to go there alone, that he needs me to focus on for my future.
Wow. Wow. So are you going?
What do you mean am I going? Of course I'm not going. There's no way I'm leaving you. It's not happening.
But what if he insists on you going without me?
If he insists, I will fight it. Like I said, there is no way that I'm leaving you. It is not happening.
I love you so much.
And I love you. We're good, okay?
Daniel, come here.
Huh?
Have you made up your mind so we can start the process?
Dad, I'm not saying no. I'm just saying I want to go with her.
We've talked about this. And I've told you what I want.
Dad, I love her. Okay? I don't want to go without her.
I must stop that stupid illusion you call love. You're a man. You should behave like one.
Dad, me being in love doesn't make me less of a man.
It makes you weak. And I do not raise you to be weak.
Well then, Dad, you don't know the kind of man that I've become. Me loving someone doesn't make me weak. Dad, I still have a choice in the matter.
Like a man. Like my son!
I'm so scared. So confused. Daniel's father wants him to move abroad.
So you think he'll just leave you just like that?
I don't know. He said he won't, but his father is not backing down.
Babe, that guy loves you so much. But the truth is, love alone cannot win this fight.
So what am I supposed to do? I can't force the man to like me now, can I?
Then you have to make it difficult for him to ignore you.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is, you have to make him have no choice. Come closer. What are you doing?
Any updates yet?
Not yet. But don't worry, okay? I'll sort it out. Don't worry about it.
Daniel, please, don't leave me.
Hey, what do you mean don't leave you? I'm not going anywhere. I'm here for you. I will always be here for you, okay? What are you doing?
Just
Hey. I don't want you to do something that you're not ready for.
But I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Today was the best day ever. It was just perfect. Every touch, every kiss, it was perfect. And then you gave yourself to me. I will never forget this. And babe, don't worry about my dad, okay? I'll have him change his mind. Just wait and see. We'll be together here, okay? You're not losing me. Look, babe, can we not just ruin this moment? We had a beautiful day, please. Let's not just ruin it. Okay? Let's just go to bed and we talk in the morning. Good night, my love.
Daniel, have you made up your mind?
Dad, I'll need a bit more time so I can sort things out.
Daniel, you can't marry a girl that doesn't meet up to her standards. That girl is from the street. She's not one of us. And that is the reality.
Dad, with all due respect.
Excuse me. Enough. This is not about respect. This is about vision. I do not build all the world for you to just throw over a girl. No. You have to live right. Sit down. Now.
Hello? Daniel? Yeah, it's Amara. Precious isn't feeling well. Yeah, she's burning up. Please, can you come over? No, don't panic. I'll just keep you posted. Yeah, I think it's just fever. But she wouldn't eat anything.
Just hang in there, okay? I'll be right there.
Where are you headed to?
Dad, I'll talk to you later.
Where
please.
are you going in such a hurry?
I'm coming, please. I have to be somewhere. Hi, I'm coming now. I'm just leaving the house.
All right. See you soon.
Why did you call him? Now he'll be worried.
He needs to be worried. He loves you, remember?
Well, I just didn't want to bother him.
Precious, you're not bothering him. Alright? You'll be fine, okay? Just hang in there. Be fine, yeah?
Hey. My goodness, you're burning up. How are you? You're burning up. Oh, we should get her to the hospital. We need to go to the hospital, babe.
No.
I'll just give you both a moment.
Thank you.
Alright.
Hey. We need to take you to the hospital. You're burning up.
No. I feel better now that you're here.
But I'm always here.
Dad, Mom.
Daniel, you did not come home last night. What happened?
Dad, I am so sorry. I had to spend the night with Precious. She wasn't feeling too well.
Precious. How is she now?
She's much better, Dad.
Daniel. Anyway, if she's fully okay, bring her to the house. I want to see the girl that is taking much of your time.
Are you serious, Dad?
Of course I'm serious.
Okay, Dad. Thank you.
Daniel. Okay.
Oh, you know, you really didn't have to do this. You know that, right?
Well, I wanted to, so I did.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wait. At this point, I have to say you're definitely up to something. So start
Me?
spilling. Yes.
Up to something?
Yes.
No.
Start spilling, because this is not a regular present. You have to tell me what you're up to.
All right, fine. I'll spill. So, my dad wants to meet you. But there's no pressure, okay? Just when you're ready. I think he's finally come to terms with the fact that I'm not backing down, so he wants to meet you.
Wait.
Again, no pressure.
Wait. Are you being serious right now?
Of course I'm for real. Why would I joke about something like that?
Okay. And you think this is real? His approval?
Well, he sounded very calm and accepting, so yeah, I think it's pretty real.
Wow. Wow, okay. Whew. Okay. When do you think I could go?
Whenever you're ready, just say the words.
So I'm ready. Okay, how about this weekend? I'm ready.
This weekend works perfectly.
Let's do this then.
Let's do this. And always remember, we will always win. No matter what.
Always. Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
It'll be amazing. Dad. Good evening.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, Dad.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, are you going to be available this weekend?
Yes, I should.
Okay, Dad, so I want you to meet Precious, just as you requested. She wants to come over this weekend.
I just can't wait to see the magic lady. I think she must be someone very special.
Dad, she is in fact very special. I can't wait for you to meet her, Dad. Dad, I have to take this call. It's her calling. I'll talk to you later, Dad.
Oh, no. Let's be clear enough.
Thank you, Dad. Hey, babe.
Not every day will be a good day. Not every day will be a bad day.
Wow. Like you look like the perfect daughter-in-law already.
Is that really what you think?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I just wanted to keep it simple. Didn't want to do too much. Simple dress, decent, demure, respectful. I mean, it's his dad we're talking about. I didn't want to make any wrong first impressions.
Okay, girl. You nailed it. Elegant, gorgeous, name it, everything. You nailed it. Okay. See, you better start going so you don't keep the men waiting.
Okay. Wish me luck.
You don't need luck. You got charm.
Okay, girl. Bye, love.
Alright. Go in, heart.
Yeah.
Not every day will be a good day.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Okay, you look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Your home is truly beautiful.
Welcome to my world.
Thank you.
Well,
Good afternoon, sir.
so this is the angel that stole my son's heart.
Dad, this is Precious. Precious, of course, my dad.
Really nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. Have your seat.
Thank you.
Son, you are going to excuse us. I want to have a word with her so that I will find out the magic she's performing to justify us.
Okay, babe, just hit me up when you're done.
Sure.
I'll just be upstairs then.
All right. My daughter, how are you doing? Thank you. So, our family?
They're fine, sir.
Babe, how did it go? What happened? Did anything happen? What happened? You're crying. It's fine, okay? It's fine. Whatever it is that happened there, it's not the end of the world. Alright, it's okay. It's okay, babe.
I'm stand still in the aching. But our hearts learns to hold.
Where's Precious?
She left.
She left. She left out without telling me.
Her phone rang and she says she has an urgent need to leave and attend to the call.
This is so unlike her. Let me call her. Her number is not connecting.
Relax. It could be network. So she's going to call you back.
He's calling again. Can you pick? Yeah?
No.
Why? Just talk to him.
I said no.
Okay, I'll pick it then for you.
Don't you dare.
What's wrong with you? Eh? Why are you treating someone that loves you so much like this? Why are you crying so much like this?
Because he doesn't love me. He's been pretending all along.
Babe, Daniel adores you. Daniel loves you. And everybody can attest to that.
He doesn't. I found out the truth today when I went to his father's house.
What truth?
So, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you, sir.
And family?
They're doing okay as well, sir.
Why do you love my son?
Daniel is a good man. He's kind, he's empathetic, he's very welcoming. He listens. And ultimately, he makes me feel seen.
I see. Did he tell you that he has a future waiting for him abroad? He is engaged with someone that both of them are planning their future abroad. So, he's only using it to fill up gap pending when he leaves the country.
That cannot be true, sir. Daniel and I love each other. And it's true. So he wouldn't lie to me or keep such information away from me.
All right. So do you want to tell me that you know my son better than I do? Well, because I actually have an evidence to prove to you what I'm telling you. Just wait. I know my son better than you do. And what I'm telling you now is true. This is a picture of my son and his beautiful wife. Hold it.
He's been lying to me. He's been cheating all this time.
Cheating?
His father showed me. His father had proof. He showed me pictures of Daniel with another woman. And he said to me that they're engaged. They even have plans for a whole new life abroad.
Oh, wait.
Oh, God.
Did you confirm this from Daniel?
Confirm what from Daniel? Was he going to admit it? Of course not. Of course he would tell another lie. There was no need to.
See, this doesn't sound like him. You guys have been so close for a very long time. Daniel adores you.
I used to think he did. But now, I know the truth. And it hurts. I feel like I've been wasting my love, my emotions on a man who's taken. Oh, God. I don't want to be with a man who cheats. I don't want to be with a man who can lie to my face. You know, I can't. I'm done.
Daniel deserves a chance to explain himself.
I can't give him that chance. I don't have the strength for that. Please, put off my phone. I don't want to be reached.
Every step we're all to follow. Everyone here unsaid. I'm stand still in the aching, but our heart wants to hold. In the breaking, there's a making.
Why is she not picking up my calls? Is she avoiding me or something? My messages, she's not responding to them. What's going on? Just dress up. Hey. I've been calling you.
What are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? I've been calling you, I've been texting you, you're not picking my calls or returning my text messages. What is going on?
Like, there's nothing to talk about. Please just leave.
I should leave.
Yes.
Precious, what is the problem? What's going on?
We're done. So please just go. And I beg you, don't try to call me or come here again. Go.
We're done. I don't understand.
Please.
What is the problem? Can you just stop? Precious.
Everyone deserves a chance to be treated nice. Beyond the class, beyond the money, treat them with kindness. Never look down a lady.
Hello?
Dad,
What did you say to Precious?
Don't be rude. Is that how you talk to your father?
Dad, don't play games with me. She came to see you and now she's cutting me off like I'm nothing. What did you tell her? What happened between you two?
So she ran away from you and you are blaming me.
She didn't run. You pushed her. And I want to know why.
Daniel, why are you throwing your life over a woman that does not belong to your world? Why? She doesn't love you. She only wants you because of what you have.
That is not true. You don't even know her.
Anyway, I know enough to protect my son from throwing his life over a woman. Get out of my phone.
You saw him?
Oh, yes.
Did you at least listen to him?
Listen to what? There's nothing left to listen to.
But you would have let him explain.
Explain what, Kwan? Explain what? That he's been lying to me all this time? Or that I was just some distraction to pass time? What's he explaining?
You're not sure about that. Because you never even asked him. You never did.
I don't care. I don't care anymore about this, about him. Like, I'm done. Done with everything.
Precious.
Old winds rise from the hollow, shadows dancing our dreams. Every step a road we follow, every word here unsaid. Time stands still in the aching, but our hearts learns to hold. In the breaking there's a making. In the last, there's a return. There's a fire. In the silence.
You haven't said anything since today. Are you okay?
I'm just tired. That's all.
Okay. Precious! Precious, what's going on? Oh my God.
Dad, do you have a moment? I would like to talk to you.
I'm listening.
So, Dad, I thought about what you said. I've decided to go. You can start preparing the papers.
This is the best decision you have taken in a while. You're not thinking like a man. Like my son. Taking your own path.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you. Finally, thank God. He has finally come back to his senses.
What's the result? Let me see. Oh my God. This is good news. What are you going to do now? Babe, congratulations.
For what? Congratulations for what? I'm so confused. I don't know what to do.
Then you need to tell Daniel. I mean, he deserves to know.
I don't want to have anything to do with him anymore.
But these baby dolls. Wait, don't tell me you're thinking of aborting it or raising the child all by yourself.
I'm keeping my baby. Look, I just need time and space to think. I'm not processing it right just yet. I can't think.
Okay, I get it. But whatever you do, whatever you decide, just make sure that Daniel hears it from you first. Okay? It's fine, chill up. This is good news. Right?
Old winds rise from the hollow, shadows dancing our dreams. Every step a road we follow, every word here unsaid. I'm still in the aching, but our hearts learns to hold. In the breaking
Babe. Can you get up, dress up and go and talk to him?
I'm not telling him anything though. Like in case that's what you're thinking. If he wants to talk, fine. I'll listen. But that's it.
At least hear what he has to say. Something might come out of it. And I think this is the best time for you to tell him about your condition.
No. I'm not going to tell him that. He doesn't deserve to know. At least not yet.
Fine. But you still need to go and see him. At least you owe yourself that much.
Okay. I'll go dress up in a bit.
Alright. Can you go now? Please. Please, please.
Okay. I'll get dressed and go see him later.
Please. Just go talk to him.
God.
How are you doing?
Just tell me why you called me out here.
I'll be leaving in 2 days.
Well, congratulations. I'm glad you finally got what you wanted. And I wish you all the best with your new family over there.
Wait. That's all you're going to say? You will not say that you're going to meet up?
What's the point? What's the point? At least now you can focus on your family. I know that's what's most important to you right now.
What family? What are you talking about?
Can you stop acting so clueless? Or you're going to lie to me?
You're really going to lie to my face right now.
What are you talking about?
The woman.
What?
The woman you're engaged to abroad. Your father showed me pictures. He didn't just say it, he had evidence. I saw you guys you looked so happy. Happier than you've ever been with me, and you're asking me what this is about?
Wait, so after all these years, you don't trust me? After everything that we've been through, you could have at least come to me for an explanation. You just believed everything that you heard. Then what's the point of this? You know what? You're right. Maybe we shouldn't even have this relationship. Just go.
Yes. He will be there in 2 days. Yeah. Once he lands, I'll make sure he meets you immediately. Yes. All right, okay. I'll see you again very soon. Thank you. I need to do something fast before he changes his mind.
I'm sorry. But your father showed me pictures, and I was hurt and confused.
That's not the point, Precious. The point here is you do not trust me. You don't. So there's no point us doing this. There's no point to it. That's what I'm saying. Let's just end this. Let's just end this right now.
I'm pregnant.
Wait, what?
I'm pregnant.
Wait. You're carrying my child? Then we have to fix this. Okay, whatever is broken between us, we have to fix it. Okay? You're pregnant. You're pregnant.
Wow. Looks like someone just won a jackpot.
Well, yes, it does feel like it, doesn't it?
Okay, so just me, what happened?
First of all, Daniel and I, we're good now. We've resolved. Turns out everything was a misunderstanding.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
So, how did it happen?
So apparently, the picture that his father showed me was just a childhood friend who lives abroad. Nothing romantic, no engagement anywhere. Like, he was even upset that I didn't trust him.
Babe, well, I've been saying this thing, I've been telling you this thing. Daniel is not that kind of man. This guy is deeply in love with you.
You know, and I feel so bad for doubting him. He was really upset, actually. He was upset that I didn't trust him enough. But thank God he was also very understanding. So,
okay.
So we're good. And when I told him about the baby, oh my God.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I told him. And he was really happy. He said he was going to tell his father immediately, and he assured me that no matter what happened, we're ending up together. Like, he's going to marry me for sure.
Ooh. Girl, I'm so happy for you.
Me too. Me too.
So, what's the worry on your face?
I don't know. I mean, what if his father still, insists that he has to travel? What if he leaves me?
Babe, a guy that loves you the way Daniel does, every other thing is secondary. I think what you need to do now is focus on the love, the baby, the peace, and just be good. Okay?
You're actually right. I mean, he's done so much to prove his love already. I should just put my mind at rest, right?
Of course. That's my girl. So you guys are stronger than whatever his father chose at you.
I think you need to start relationship therapy.
Very soon.
At this rate.
Very soon.
Why do single people give the best advice? I still can't believe how much I missed this. I missed us. I missed you so much.
You have no idea how hard these moments were for me. The days were so long. I missed hearing your voice. I missed everything about you.
I know. It was really hard for me too. You know, even when I was mad at you, I couldn't stop wishing you would just show up and give me a hug.
I'm just glad that we're back again on track. And then this news about the baby. I'm over the moon. I can't wait to have you and the baby together forever.
I can't wait to.
All right, babe. Right now, my queen needs to sleep. You know now you're sleeping for 2, right? So get some rest, okay?
Okay, Daddy. I will go to bed now.
All right. I'll come see you first thing tomorrow morning. I love you.
Good night, baby. I love you so much.
Oh na 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 na.
Morning, Dad.
Someone is extra happy this morning. Is it the thought of your journey to that has you floating?
Dad, about my trip.
Yeah.
I was going to talk to you.
Okay. Let me sit. You're stuck.
Dad, about my trip tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm not going.
What did you say?
Dad, something has changed. Precious, she's pregnant.
Ah?
Yes, Dad, she's carrying my child.
Pregnant? You mean you got that girl pregnant?
Yes, Dad. And Dad, I am proud of it. And there's no way I'm traveling, leaving a pregnant woman behind to go and chase whatever. I can't do that. Dad, I have to go see her. We'll talk when I get back.
No. So this is how this boy wants to spend his life.
I think it's perfect. I mean, it's pink.
Yeah, for a girl child it's perfect, but now we're dealing with a stud, a boy.
Who's dealing with a boy?
We're dealing with the boy.
Please, we're having a baby girl.
What do you
That
mean?
pink is perfect.
No, we're having a boy. It's a boy.
It's a girl.
Look, listen. How do you know? I know. Look, I'm the man, right? A man knows this. Look,
I'm the carrier. I feel it.
men know these things. Women don't. There's this intuition, you know. you just
Wonderful.
connect to the baby, you know. So
Well, there's a way I heard that girl children kick, and that's how she's kicking.
is she kicking yet?
Just a tiny little bit. I feel it in my guts. Plus, the glow is baby girl type glow. So yeah.
You know what?
Mm-hmm.
She can't believe I'm about to be a father.
Well, you're already acting like one.
And I will be the best dad to this little one. The best dad in the entire universe.
I have no doubts about that. Have you told your dad?
Yeah, I did.
What did he say?
Honestly, he didn't say much. He just stared at me like I grew another head.
Do you think he would insist on you traveling?
Okay, but you listen to me. You and the baby are my future now. I'm not going anywhere. If now.
I just want peace.
And there will be peace. Okay? Relax. Back shopping. Alright, so we're gonna buy this boy a bike. Yeah, big black bike. So
Giving
he can...
new daddy.
Dad. Good evening.
Daniel, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Come. Are you serious about what you told me this morning?
Dad, I have never been more serious about anything in my life.
You mean you want to throw away your future abroad and stay with that woman here in Nigeria?
Dad, it's not just about her. She's having a child. She's having my child. There's no way I'm going to leave her here and leave it.
Okay, you know what? Let's do it this way. If it's about the responsibility, I'll take care of it. I will make sure that that girl lacks nothing when you're out there. So you just go and do the needful. Go and build your future.
Dad, it's not just about that. Okay? She and the baby, they are both my responsibility. And I want to handle my responsibility as a man. Dad, I want to get married to her. I don't want her to have a child out of wedlock. You raised me to be a better man than this. So please.
Do you listen to yourself? Do you know what you're talking out of your mouth? How old are you? What do you know about marriage? Do you know what marriage demands? Now listen and listen very carefully. It's either you choose between me or Precious. And if you choose her, it's okay. I don't have a problem with that. You have chosen your path as a responsible adult, and everything that concerns her, take care of it. Count me out of it. All right? As for the marriage, the child, or everything, don't expect a dime from me. And for your information, go and pick everything that belongs to you in this house and move out of this house. I don't want to see you, not even 100 meters away from this house. I don't want to see you here again. You have chosen your path. Go and deal with it.
Not everyone will be for you, and not everyone will be against you.
Babe. You still haven't said anything. What's going on? What's going on?
He disowned me. My father, he literally disowned me.
What? Why? What happened?
He told me to choose between you and him. And of course I chose you. I told him I didn't want to travel anymore. That I wanted to be here for you and for my baby. That I wanted to start a family. And then he did this.
The last thing I ever want to do is come between you and your father.
Hey.
I didn't mean for any of this.
Don't say that. This is not your fault, okay? You had nothing to do with this. I'm a full-grown man. I made a choice. I chose to be here. So please don't do that.
So what now? What's the plan?
Well, I have some savings. We'll get a place. And then we'll just start small. Okay, we'll just start small. We'll work something out. Just don't worry about it, okay? I'll figure something out for you and for our baby. We'll be fine, okay? We'll be good.
Look, I want you to know that I'm here for you. And I'll be here. I'll be by your side every step of the way. Okay? I'm not leaving. Always and forever.
But I believe in love, yes. I believe in love.
Yes. Please cancel everything that is tied to him. Every privileges, connection, account, cancel everything. I don't care how long it takes. Yes. Just make sure he has nothing to fall back on. Thank you. Thanks for your light. Thank you. So Daniel thinks he's wise. He can throw everything because of a woman. He'll learn the hard way. By the time he realizes what he's doing, he'll come back crawling. Then he'll know who holds the power. Nonsense.
I believe in love, yes. I believe.
So, I guess this is it. I know it's not much, but we'll start here, baby. We'll start here.
Hey, I'm happy, okay? I'm truly happy. For me, it's never been about the size of the place. Wherever you are, as long as I'm there with you, then I'm happy.
Babe, I want to make you this promise. You and my baby, that I will work hard day and night until both of you get the life that you deserve.
Baby, like, you're already doing more than you even realize. And we are grateful to you. Okay?
Excuse me.
It's okay. Hey, what's up?
Everything's fine. I just need to be somewhere. I'll be back soon. I'll let you know. Okay, just give me a minute.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine, babe.
Baby! Is he really fine?
Dad.
Yo, man, is everything okay? Why are you banging into my privacy like this?
Dad, you froze my account. All of my accounts, including my private ones. Why would you do that?
Yes, I did it. You say you're a man. And if you're a man, you should behave like one. Everything you have in that account, you got it through me. Through my name. So if you want to have anything personal, you have to start from the scratch. Do you understand what I'm saying? If that is all that brought you here, please take your leave. I'm busy.
Hey, you've still not said anything. Why did you run off like that? What happened? Hey.
My dad did it. He froze all my accounts.
Oh, my goodness. So he meant it?
He meant every single word. But it's all right. I have my certificate. I'll look for a job. I'll be fine. I just need to stand on my 2 feet. I just...
Hey. Look. You won't have to do this alone. Okay? I'll be with you every step of the way. I have some savings. We can even, start spending that for now. I'm sure things will get better from there on.
I do not take your support for granted.
It's okay. I already heat up your bath water. You should go freshen up. And then afterwards you come eat. You need strength.
You always do think of everything, don't you?
Well, I learned from the best. Welcome, love. How did today go?
Same old, same old. They always start off nice. The moment I give them my certificate and they see my surname, they just say suddenly there's no opening.
What? Babe, your dad, He's really trying to block you from every angle.
Yeah, he's trying to frustrate me. He wants me to come back crawling, begging. But I'm not going to do that. I made my choice, okay? I chose you, and I will stand by it. And if I cannot get a blue-collar job, I'll just get a menial job. Anything. I'll go out tomorrow again, I'll find something to do.
Baby.
Whatever it is.
So sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Not every day will be a good day. Not every day will be a bad day. But every day we wait, we pray to God that everything will be okay. Not everyone will be for you. And not everyone will be against you. But when the ones you love got your back, everything will be okay. But I believe in love, yes. I believe in love.
I still can't believe it. Daniel gave up that kind of life for you. Mother man loves you deeply. Oh. Seriously.
I know. I just can't stop feeling bad. I can't help myself from feeling like I'm the cause of everything that's happened between them.
Babe.
I didn't plan for any of this to happen. Now just see. A whole family rift because of me.
Come on. Don't blame yourself. This man will be okay with you guys in no time. Once he sees that Daniel is very serious and he's not crawling back to him, be fine. See, let me tell you, parents like this respect firmness. So, which work is Daniel doing now? That guy is really trying, but nothing official yet, right?
Nothing official. He has done so many different things. He's really pushing himself. And some days he's helping people wash their cars. Other days he's renting their taxis to drive and just make whatever money he can. Anything just to put food on the table. He's literally doing just anything to put things together.
Babe, that man is a real man. A hard worker. Just keep encouraging him.
Of course.
He needs all the love and support right now.
Of course. Me, I'm proud of him no matter what.
You guys will be fine.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna get going now.
Where would you get going?
Before your husband will come back and meet you idle.
But is it because I did not cook something for you? You asked for granules.
I'm not hungry. For your husband,
Wait. Are you sure that this granite is not your own pregnancy craving?
Hello.
Because me, that's how I've been eating watermelon as if.
I'm on diet, please.
Okay, girl. Thank you so much for coming.
Not every day will be a good
Hey, girl. Yes, I'm back. I'm in your city. Daniel, no, I haven't seen him. I just want it to be a surprise, okay? And don't tell him. Do not tell him, okay? I'm going straight to his right now. Of course, I'll stop by. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Daniel. Feels so good to be seeing you again.
But when the ones you love got your back, everything will be okay.
Whew.
But I believe
abroad really suits you.
I know, right?
Look at how beautiful and glowing you are.
I know.
Oh, that is a girl.
I missed you. Where's Daniel? Where's Daniel?
Come and sit down. Who is Daniel?
Who's Daniel? Your son.
He left the house and he says he's now a man. A man that chose a woman over his father.
Oh my God. Oh my God. But, big uncle, no matter what, he's still your son.
He has made his choice and he has to live by it.
Okay. I need you to calm down. I know you're mad, but this can still be fixed, right? You know where he lives?
I don't know. I'm not interested. I don't give a damn about that.
Wow. Big uncle, I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back.
Talk to you.
Madam, just do like this. Cut down. Cut down. Cut down. Cut like that. Hair. Madam, okay, just you don't. What's in it? Come on, first. You go move. See this guy. What's in the worry you? Up that thing. You there? They follow me. They drag me. So just turn this thing, the steering, straight to this thing. So like this. Correct. Come on, two guy.
Okay, now me go watch this thing. Come on. Back way. Give her life.
Guy, come on for it. Go watch that one. You go come out. Madam, just what's in the worry you now? Madam, you don't park well. Yeah.
Daniel?
Like now know each other.
This is really unfair. I mean, what your dad did is just wrong.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Okay, maybe I can help, you know, like talk to him.
Betty, no. I'm a man, okay? I'm not going to beg that man. I'm good.
Okay, but I'll still find a way, okay? Everything will be fine. So, can I at least drop you off so I can know where you live, at least?
Thanks, of course.
Yeah.
This is my new place.
Wow, so simple. I guess I have to be on my way. I will visit some other time. It's getting late.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah, sure.
Take care.
In the breaking, there's a making. In the last, there's a return. There's a fire. In the silence.
Hey, babe.
Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from? I'm coming from work.
From work. So who was that dropping you off, touching you all over, giving you hugs and pecks and kisses and whatnot?
Okay, there was no kissing. That was Betty, my childhood friend. She just got back from abroad. I haven't seen her in a while.
Oh, so she's finally here to take you abroad with her.
What?
Right?
She's just my friend.
What do you mean, just your friend? With all that personal contact, all that physical contact? Is that what you do with your friendships?
Babe, she's just like...
Please.
Babe!
Hi, Betty. How are you?
I'm fine, big uncle.
Take your seat.
Thank you. Big uncle, I want to talk to you.
Okay. I'm listening.
Okay, so I saw Daniel yesterday, and his condition, oh my God, it's so heartbreaking. And big uncle, it's a dent on your image and the respect that you carry.
That is his life. He has made his choice.
But he's your son.
You may not understand. He's my son. But he has chosen woman over his future. What do you expect me to do? He chose weakness.
No, big uncle, he chose to be responsible.
And I want to ask you a question. Didn't you wish Dana to get married to you? No, be sincere.
I mean, I did, but not anymore. It's his heart, big uncle. You don't tell your heart whom to fall in love with. I mean, I'm just happy to still be his friend. That's enough for me. Big uncle, he's still your son. Okay, you need to forgive him and take him back before it's too late. So, I spoke with your dad. He's still holding his ground. Doesn't look like he'll change his mind soon.
Thank you. You've done enough already. I do appreciate.
I just wish I could do more.
Hey, you have done enough. All right, just leave it be. I'm fine. And Betty, I think we should set some boundaries. Precious is not very comfortable with how close we've been, and I just want peace in the house.
Okay.
Again, thank you for everything.
Sure. Can I come in?
Daniel is not home.
I know. I actually came to see you.
Okay. Please come in.
Thank you.
Take a seat. So, what did you come to say?
Okay, first of all, I just want to say I'm sorry for everything going on, with you, Daniel, his dad. It's just pretty sad. And I'm sorry. Precious, Daniel loves you. He really does. I've known Daniel literally all my life, and when he's in love, he rarely backs down. So you should learn to trust him.
I know. I mean, it's just hard when you hear certain stories and see certain things. But, yeah.
Precious, I'm not a threat. I'm not. Fine. I once wished, I could have him, like he could be mine, but not anymore. That was in the past. He loves you, he chose you. He's a good man. Listen, I just want peace, okay? Between everybody, all of us.
Thank you.
Yeah. And if there's anything I can do, any way I can be of help, I'll be glad to help.
Okay.
Yeah. How's the baby doing?
Great. Strong and healthy.
All right, I got some things for him, her, in the car.
Her.
Her?
Yeah.
I see. So I'll just get him out.
Yes, speaking.
Please, am I on to Mr. Daniel?
Yes, yes. This is he.
Congratulations, Mr. Daniel. You've been selected as the new manager of Unique Enterprises, London. All travel and employment arrangements will be handled and shared with you shortly.
Wait, what? Okay, yeah, I'll be waiting for the email. Thank you. Have a great day. Babe, this call I just received, one of my dad's associates, they're offering me a job in the UK as manager.
Baby.
Yes! I can't believe this.
Oh my God, congratulations, baby. Oh my God, I am so proud of you.
Okay, Betty's calling, let me just...
Okay.
Let's go. Hi, Betty, what's up?
Hi, Daniel. Can we see some? It's important.
Oh, of course, we can see you tomorrow, it's fine. Babe.
Congratulations. Oh, is Betty okay?
She's good. She says she needs to see me as an emergency or something.
Okay. Oh. Speaking of which, I'm sorry about how I acted when I saw you with Betty.
It's okay. I understand. I know it's because I'm incredibly handsome and you're jealous for that reason. So.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, yes, you're right. But still doesn't change the fact that I overreacted and I'm sorry.
It's alright, babe.
Besides, Betty seems like a nice person. I think she's a nice person.
Seems like a nice person. You've never met her. So what are you talking about?
Well, let's just say that's our little secret.
Secret?
Yeah, secret.
Okay.
By the way, my manager, baby.
That's me. I need this to happen.
Yeah.
I still cannot believe it. A job in the UK. And I didn't even apply.
Well, let's just say good things have a way of finding us, don't you think?
I guess so.
What's wrong?
It's just that I wished Precious would put to bed before I leave because I don't think they'll want me to come with my family.
Of course they will. Everything has been taken care of.
Wait, did you have something to do with this? Did you pull the string?
Daniel, just forget about it. Okay, focus on the next step, which is getting ready to go.
Well, you did this. How did you have to tell me how you did it? What string did you pull?
Okay, so I knew you would want to go with your family, of course. So I took care of everything. All you need to do is wait for her to put to bed and then y'all can live together.
Thank you so much. You are a true friend. You're a good friend.
Oh, don't flatter me. What are friends for? So you're hungry? I know a good spot.
I could eat. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Baby, you're back.
Yeah, I am back.
Yeah. How did it go?
This baby, this little one here is giving us lots of fortune.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay. I got the job. Yes, visa, everything. So you, me, and this miracle right here, going abroad.
What?
We're going abroad.
Abroad? You didn't even apply yet. No.
Betty, I don't know what she did. She pulled some strings and it is happening. It's happening.
Oh my God.
I told you it is happening.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yes, but
you want to sit?
Something doesn't feel right.
You want to sit? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to be this pain, like my back hurts.
Wait, are you sure it's not? Is it?
I don't know.
Maybe that. Okay, it's it. Okay, I think you're supposed to breathe. Let's just.
Just gradually go out. Breathe. Okay, just breathe. Just breathe. Okay, let's just go. Sorry. Just breathe, babe. Just breathe. Sorry. I think it's baby's coming. Just breathe. You're supposed to like. I think. Okay, not like that. Not like. Are you passing out? Okay, let's just go. Easy. We're almost there. We're almost there. Easy, baby. Just breathe. Well, I have to say something to encourage you, so I think we're almost there. Just breathe. Just breathe.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Are you serious? She did! A bouncing baby boy? Congratulations! I'm so happy for you. I'll come see y'all, okay? Big uncle!
What is all the excitement about?
Daniel's wife just put to bed. A bouncing baby boy.
Good for him.
Big uncle, for how long? For how long? Are you gonna carry on like this forever? He's still your son. You need to forgive him and take him back before it's too late.
Look at her tiny hands. So cute. Yes, come in. It's open. Hey. Hi. I wasn't expecting you. Hi.
Oh my God! Hello. Congratulations. Can I hold him? Hope he doesn't cry.
Ah, he's a big boy. He doesn't cry. Do you cry? He doesn't
So
cry.
cute.
I know.
It's more like her.
More like me though.
So lovely.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It looks.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, he's here for good.
It's okay, baby. It's alright. It's alright.
How have you been?
I've been good.
I know it must have been tough fending for them.
It was. But lucky for me, I have a good woman. She stood by me. She made it easier.
I miss you. I overreacted. I'm so sorry about that. I'm ready to welcome you back home. You and your family.
Dad, but we're going abroad. I got a job.
I know. And that is a double congratulation for you. This is a compensation for all that you have gone through. I thank God for you. So, what is the name of my grandson?
Fortune. Because he brought us a lot of fortune.
That's a good one.
Thank you, Dad.
That's a good one. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
You are proud that you are my real son. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you so much.
Pretty little baby. It's okay. It's okay. We'll sit now. Good boy. Kitty, kitty.
Like, do you think everything is fine? I mean, with his dad showing up here and everything.
Precious. Everything is fine. I mean, he came for peace. I told you. You know, he's truly sorry, and he just came to reconcile with Daniel. That's all.
I just feel like I can't stop feeling like I'm responsible for everything. You know, the drift between them and where they are right now. The guilt is really heavy on me.
Easy on yourself. It's not your fault. Okay, I mean, you love Daniel and he chose you. To me, that's strength. That's love. And come on! Look at this. You are now a mother. Look at this handsome little kitty.
He likes you. I mean, look how calm he is.
I know, right? You bet. Auntie Betty is now a favorite auntie, right? Right? Papa! He's smiling.
Hello. My beautiful boy.
Oh.
Hello. Hey, yo. Ooh. Hello, man. Hello, man. Hello, man. Hello, man.
You know, I still can't believe that in just a few days from now, we'll be out of the country. You and I and our cute little baby. It's like a dream come true. I still can't wrap my head around it.
You have made me complete. Made me a happy man and a proud father. And now, with my father's approval, we will be together forever.
I can't wait. Go.
Ooh, thank you.
Welcome. Ah, you want some of Auntie's drink?
Thank you.
Not yet, okay?
Babe, I'm so happy for you. I always knew that a day like this would come. A day that will all live peacefully, no more worries, no more tears of pain. And very soon, this little man here will turn to an abroad baby.
Well, amen. Amen. Okay. I have you to thank for everything. You've been so kind to me. When I was down and didn't know what else to do, you stood by me. In fact, you're the only reason I'm here today. Still with Daniel and with this little man here. Say thank you to Auntie.
You're welcome.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Not every day will be a good day. Not every day will be a bad day. But every day we wait, we pray to God that everything will be okay. Not everyone will be for you.
I never knew I would be surrounded by such an awesome and amazing family as this. First, a friend like no other. Scratch that. More than a friend. More like a sister. Or like a mother. And there goes Betty. A friend and a sister. A helper. More like family to me. Oh, and the man I thought was my enemy. Who's now like a father to me. Oh, there goes the love of my entire life. A responsible husband and an adorable father who makes me stronger, who makes me feel like a wonderful woman, who always stands by me and makes me feel seen. I never knew this kind of love existed, not just from my man, but from everyone around me. If there's anything my life has taught me, it is the fact that weeping may endure for a night, but joy sure comes in the morning.
Not every day will be a bad day, but every day we wait, we pray to God that everything will be okay. Not everyone will be for you, and not everyone will be against you. But when the ones you love got your back, everything will be okay.